mouth-watering mutton biryani. Hi, hello, welcome back. Mutton biryani, mouth-watering mutton biryani. I have a few guests coming in home today for lunch, so I thought of making some biryani. So we're gonna prepare Ambur style mutton biryani for 10 people. Usually 1 kilogram of rice could serve up to 7 people. So we're gonna use 1.5 kilogram of jeera rice and 1.5 kilogram of mutton. We will be using a pot that could cook around 4 kilograms of rice. So we will preheat that pot. We will add 250 ml of oil. Now this oil should be sufficient because the mutton will have some fat within it. Once the oil is warm, we will add 2 bay leaves, eight to 10 cardamom, 8 to 10 cloves, 1.5 inch of cinnamon broken into pieces, 500 grams of onion finely chopped. Now we will close it with the lid and we will allow the onion to cook for 2 minutes because the cook time for an onion is going to be somewhere around 4 to 5 minutes. It has been 2 minutes, we'll open up the lid. Now we will fry this onion till it gets soft and glossy. Now that the onions are fried to soft and glossy, we will be adding garlic paste. Now I have taken 100 grams of fresh ground garlic. We will fry those till the rawness of the garlic is gone. Now we will add 100 grams of fresh ground ginger paste. Fry those till the rawness of the ginger is gone. Once the rawness of the ginger is gone, we will add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, we will add quarter bundle of mint leaves finely chopped, quarter bundle of coriander finely chopped, fry these along with the masala. Now for the Ambur style biryani, we are not going to add any green chilies. So I have taken around 15 to 20 red chilies and I have ground it into a fine paste. We will add 2 teaspoons of this ground chili paste. Fry it along with the masala. Now we will add salt for taste. Now goes the tomatoes. I have taken 500 grams of tomatoes and sliced it. Fry this along with the masala till the tomatoes are cooked. Once the tomatoes are cooked, we will add 1.5 kilogram of mutton. Mix it well till the masala blends with the mutton. Now is the time to add the curd. I have taken 300 ml of thick curd. Now mix as well till the curd blends with the masala. Now we will close the lid and we'll allow it to cook for 2 minutes. Now that it's been cooking for 2 minutes, we'll open up the lid. We will add 800 ml of water and mix it well. Check the salt and add salt as required. Now the salt has to be a little bit in excess so that it blends with the rice when we are cooking the biryani. Now once this comes to a boil, we will close it with the lid and cook it for 2 minutes in high flame. Now that it's been cooking for 2 minutes in high flame, we will lower the flame. We will cook the mutton in low flame for 40 minutes. Now that the mutton's been cooking for 30 minutes in low flame, at this point of time, I'm going to use another stove and I'm going to boil some water in another vessel and add some salt to it, and we're going to cook the rice. The rice has to be cooked only up to 20%. The mutton has been cooking for 40 minutes. Now we will open the lid and check if the mutton is cooked. The mutton's cooked now. At this point of time, we will add lemon juice extracted from 1 lemon. Now the rice has been cooked up to 20%. Now we will drain the water from the rice and we will add it to the biryani. Mix it gently so that the rice doesn't break. Now add the water that we drained from the rice up to the level where the rice is immersed in the water. Now we will close the lid and we will cook it in high flame for 2 minutes. Now that it's been cooking for 2 minutes in high flame, we will lower the flame, we will place a heavy object on the lid and we will cook for 10 to 15 minutes. It has been cooking for 12 minutes in low flame. Now we will open the lid and check if the rice is cooked and the water is drained. Now the water is drained, we will flip the rice from the bottom to the top. Mouth-watering mutton biryani is ready. Hope you loved my video. Please like, share and subscribe my videos. Thank you for watching.